we're gonna do the Varti Anoush. Vart means rose. We're gonna do the rose petal jam. So these are special roses. These are the Damascus roses, okay, or what we call a juri, one juri. So what we need to do is put 200 grams of petals with 200 grams of sugar in the fridge one night. You're gonna knead the petal until it's all wilt, and afterwards we're gonna pound it with a mallet so that we have the perfect texture. I really wish you with me to have all this fragrance. It's beautiful. See how the petal is taking all the sugar. It's all inside. See, it's starting to have the water. We will use this water at the end and add it on our jam because all the fragrance is here. You need to knead your petal around 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I will put my water to boil. 500 milliliter. Just water to boil. Now we're gonna pound the petal. I really wish you to have all this fragrance. It's beautiful. Now, sip. We're gonna put all the petals here. See the juice? This is the best part. This will accentuate the fragrance of the roses in your jam. The color, smell. So, my water is boiling. Okay, I'm gonna put here. Look how the color will turn now. See how it's fading? We're gonna put on high heat, boil. I will use my phone to put the timing because I want exactly 3 minutes. We're adding 200 grams of pectin sugar. And I'm gonna add my juice. 3 minutes. See, the color is coming back. You should not have a division of the water down and the petals up. That means it didn't work out. I already prepared my sterilized jars. Here we go, we're done. Fire off. What we're gonna do is put it on the spot in the jars. It's gonna be hot, okay? Look at the color. And you see now it's still watery. Now once they are cold, the pectin will work and will have a nice jam. You're gonna have from the 200 gram of petal, you're gonna have around 800 gram of jam. So, close it, turn it upside down, make the vacuum effect. I prepared this from yesterday night because I cannot eat this one, it's too hot and the texture is not yet. So see the color and see the texture. This is what we're gonna have. It's binded, the petals and the juice. Look how I'm gonna taste it. The best Armenian way to have your jam, your rose jam. By Triarc. Okay, best way, morning, breakfast, slice of Triarc, on it, your petal jam, and that's all you need, nothing else. It boosts your energy, it boosts your humor, everything is lovely on it. It's sweet, a little bit sour. It's wonderful. And look, it's so easy. that you really cannot tell me that you cannot do it. You just have to try it. It's so yummy, it's so easy. Just try it.